Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add phone number on Discord. For those of you who are wondering what is an Discord, Discord is an social networking site where you can send images, videos and do voice call or video calls with your friends. To add phone number on Discord, open Discord on a device. Now this is the home page of Discord. You will see various options on the bottom taskbar. Simply click on the profile icon which is at the very bottom right. Now on the user settings you will see options of set status, my account, user profile, privacy and safety, etc. Click on my account. Now under account information you will see the option of phone. Click on it and select the country code and enter your number and click on next. Now enter the verification code sent by Discord on your number and enter the password to your account to save the changes. And click on the file like icon which is at the very bottom right. And that's it. You have successfully added phone number on a Discord account. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.